Today I am coming to you with a short video about what oils and fat you can use on a well-formulated ketogenic diet. So welcome to Beautonic Live. I am here for you to make it easy. So let's get started. I have great news for you. We have a variety of oils and fat that we can use in our kitchen. So the very important one are saturated fatty acid because they're more stable and less likely to cause inflammation in our body. So the oils like coconut oil, avocado oil, grass-fed butter are very protective against inflammation. I need to also mention here that there are some certain oils that we need to completely avoid, and I know for sure you know that, but I need to repeat it. Trans fats are completely bad for our health, and we also need to stay away from very processed vegetable oils and margarine. So this is completely no-no for us. Okay, so let's focus on the one that we can use in our kitchen freely. For cooking, roasting and frying, I love using coconut oil. You can use butter, you can use lard, tallow, avocado oil. There are many options. For dressing and for cold dishes, you can use avocado oil, you can use extra virgin olive oil. I have infused with rosemary. I have the one with garlic flavor. And very important one, you can use MCT oil for bulletproof coffee and also for dressings. Those are the options. For dessert and for baking, I love to use butter, coconut oil and ghee. Also coconut manna. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any question regarding fat and oils, please comment below the video, or maybe you can share with us what oils and fat you use in your ketogenic diet kitchen. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy my video, please put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I would be happy to come to you next with another video from the series What to Eat on the Ketogenic Diet. Thank you. Bye bye.